Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing and protecting your audio. Open the file in multitrack and make a duplicate track so you always have an untouched original. Once done, confirm the session's sample rate matches the file to avoid pitch shifts. Next, select the duplicated clip and normalize or reduce background noise briefly so effects behave predictably. Now you're ready to apply voice transforms. This early prep prevents artifacts and makes subsequent changes sound natural rather than processed or choppy. Now you apply pitch and format controls to change voice character. Insert pitch shifter from Effects Rack and choose a small semitone change for subtlety or larger shifts for character. Lower semitones deepen, raise semitones brighten. Make sure to enable high-quality interpolation to avoid artifacts. Then open the automatic pitch correction or stretch and pitch to tweak formants so the voice stays natural. Format control prevents the chipmunk or muffled effect. As you adjust, listen on monitors and headphones to catch issues. Finish by refining EQ, dynamics, and spatial sense. You'll cut low rumble with a high pass at around 80-120 Hz and boost presence slightly near 3 to 5 kHz to keep clarity after pitch changes. Apply gentle compression to even levels and a de-esser if sibilance increased. Once satisfied, bounce a multi-track mixdown to the desired format. If something goes wrong, try toggling the pitch interpolation quality and reset format values. Often adjusting interpolation and reducing pitch shift magnitude fixes artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.